Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Coinbase weekly settings. Here you will search about apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Coinbase and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. Here we go to Play Store. We search about Coinbase. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install the game. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.